Hello guys, my name is Mark. Watching me. Let's start today's stream video without any further delay. So this video is about going to the routine of 30th June 2024, the last day of the month. It's made me emotional, very emotional. If you wanted to know, then comment down. Okay. So basically, today I woke up it very soon. I know that you are very shocked that basically I usually woke up it very late, but today I woke up it very soon. Wait guys. So basically I woke up and after first I brought my clothes that what should I wear today. So basically I brought my jeans and t-shirt and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, so after that I didn't go to the bathroom because so I did not go to the bathroom today. So basically after that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes. After that I worshipped. After that after having this some time, I worshipped at a very proper manner. After having this some time, me and my sister went to the Arya Samaj for having this some work. Okay, so we went there. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened actually today, guys. Okay, so wait, guys, yeah. So basically after that we went there and they were having the oven. Now I don't know what we call oven in English, so let me write it so that I can translate very soon. Yeah. So they were having the oven. So after that one of the teacher told me that please come and sit on the oven side. So similarly this she was told me. Okay, and I don't know exactly what she told me. Okay guys, so I came and after that we talked to them. After that we ate prasad. Okay, prasad is offerings. After that I ate offerings and my sister also, and after that I came home and yeah. So after that I came to the first floor. I changed my clothes. After that I had taken the key, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, and after that I ate today food. Okay, what I ate today I ate kidney beans sabzi plus rice. I know that you guys you feel very different. You estimate that what is kidney beans. Basically kidney beans is nothing, it is just a rajma. Okay, so basically but sorry guys, I'm just telling to you in Hindi, just explain. Okay, so I ate today kidney beans sabzi plus rice. Okay, so after that I watched too many videos regarding career. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened today, and after that I went for this sleep. Okay, so after that my eyes open up. Basically I woke up on that time when my mother came and she told me that to go and brought clothes for her because she was going to take the bath. So after that I brought clothes for her, and basically this is the thing which was happened. And after that me and my mother talk. Okay, and I spent my time with my mother. Okay, so after that I ate food. After that I ate food, of course, and so basically after that I I don't know exactly about that. I spent my time family, not family. I spent my time with my mother. Okay, after that I didn't do too much thing. Okay, I'm just trying to sing this song. Okay, and after that I went to the bathroom. Okay, and after that I came home. I don't know exactly about that. First I went to the bathroom. After that I singing, or first I sing and after that went to the bathroom. Then I have some confusion. Okay, but in singing is it past? Okay, so I sang. Maybe I can say that it sang. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened today. And after that I didn't do too much thing. I went to the first floor, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, and after that I laid down to the bed and I used my phone. So basically this is the thing which was happened. And after that you know the study table. One of the I already have the one study table, but one of the study table in the evening also brought, and I helped the person. Okay, so this video, the phone stand is situated in the second study table. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened today. So I think that yeah, after that I didn't learn too much thing. I spent in my time with my parents. Okay, so after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, so after that I ate food. What I ate today? I ate today, dosa. I don't know what you call dosa in English, and I also ate sambar and coconut. The sauce we can say coconut chutney in Hindi terms. Basically, I don't know exactly about that what we call in English that all the things. Okay, so after that I didn't do too much thing. I used my phone, and after that I spent my time with family, and after that I filled the cooler, and after that I spent my time with parents, and after that I went to the first floor, and my mother also came, and after that I talked to her, and after that she went to the ground floor, and after that I was shooting the video on the time. Okay, and after that I also shot the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope really understand it. Yet if you really understand it, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. Okay, and one thing I also wanted to tell you that guys, if you found any kind of mistake when I spoke in English, so kindly please tell me in comment section the correct way. So I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills. Okay, so without having the further delay, so let's start today's 5 word. So bake means okay, bake means guys, our first word is bake. Bake means guys sekna. Okay, so after that I bake that cake, and after that the cake is ready for the birthday. Squeeze, nichodna. I squeezed lemon for the what we call nimbu pani. Yes, it's lemonade. I squeeze lemon for the lemonade. Of course, besak. Can you please give me your pen? Of course, it's totally yours, dude. No need to ask. Our fourth word is well done. Sabas. Well done, man. You have really done a very great task. Okay. So vermilion. Vermilion, guys, Sindhu. Vermilion is the sign of the Indian married women's. Okay, so basically guys, this is our today's word. Okay, so yeah, so basically let's start some accounting topics. Basically guys, we will start accounting topics from tomorrow. Okay, so I don't think it is necessary, so today I will just complete the vocabulary from bottom to the top. Okay, so let's start. So सिंदूर, वर्मिलियन, शाबाश, वेल्डन, बेशक, ऑफ कोर्स, निचोड़ना, स्क्वेज, सेकना, बेक, पीसना, आई डोंट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज, स्ट्रेन, छानना, पील, छीलना, बेसिकली पीसना इज ग्रेन, छानना इज स्ट्रेन, छीलना इज पील. Basically these three words is very confusing, but I will really learn very soon. So next word is कंजूस, miser, जो कोई भी, whoever, जो कुछ भी, whichever, परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, कामना, ट्रैम्बल, चुगलखोर, स्नीचर, विधवा, विडो, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनेंट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, मेहमान, गेस्ट, बातूनी, गैरुलस, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, समझदार, सेंसिबल, किसको, होम, किसका, हुज, अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड, घटिया, सॉरी, फौजी, सैनिक, दया, मर्सी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, ज्वारी, गैम्बलर, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, बैठा, पिट, कीचड़, मड, पौना, ड्वार्फ, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, सुखदायक, सूदिंग. Yes, I can learn सुखदायक, सूदिंग. It's good. प्रतीत होना, सीन, अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विच, वरदान, गुण, श्राप, कर्ज, खुजली, इचिंग, वफादार, लॉयर, शपथ लेना, ओथ, आजाती, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, आचार, टिकन, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, मासूम, इनोसेंट, प्रयास, स्ट्रगल, धरती, अर्थ, धड़कन, हार्ट बीट, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर्ट, झूला, स्विंग, इच्छा, डिजायर, घाव, बाउंड, घूरना, स्टेयर, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, उचित, प्रॉपर, उलझन, डिलेमा, और वैकेंसी, कन्फ्यूजन, उम्मीद, होप, हालत, हैबिट, भाग्य, फेट, थोड़ा, ए लिटल बिट, तालमेल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, उत्साह, एंथुजियाज्म, उपाय, सॉल्यूशन और रेमेडी, बीमार, सिक, आदत, हैबिट, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रस्ताव, प्रपोजल, प्राचीन, एंसाइंट, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, उपयुक्त, एप्रोप्रिएट, मूली, रेडिस, पालक, स्पिनच, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, बर्तन, यूटेंसिल्स, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब, कमर, पेस्ट, चोट, इंजरी, कपड़े धोने का स्थान, लॉन्ड्री, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कांच, ग्लास, पैदल, ऑन फुट, नतीजा, आउटकम के बजाय, स्ट्रीट, मुश्किल से, बैरली, आधी रात, मिडनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आज रात, टू नाइट, पक्का, श्योर, पर्दे, कर्टेन के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, बगल में, बिसाइड, पकड़ना, कैच, खिलाना, पेट, भौंकना, बात, रोना, क्राई, विचार, थॉट, न्याय, जस्टिस, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, विरोध करना, अगेंस्ट, पहुंचना, अराइव, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलिएट, विरोध करना इज प्रोटेस्ट, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिली, डांटना, स्कोल्ड, बदनाम करना, मिसगाइड, नॉट, इट इज़ डिफेम, लगाव, अफेक्शन, इसबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, कुंवारा, बैचलर, बहादुर, ब्रेव, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, परेशानी, ट्रबल, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, पास, लेयर, खड़खड़ाना, नॉक बनाना, क्रिएट, पीछे, बिहाइंड, सचमुच, रिटेली, जरूरी, असेंशियल, निश्चित रूप से, अपरेंटली, फुसफुसाना, विस्पर, धीरज, पेशेंस, लिफाफा, एनवलप, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, आश्चर्य, वॉन्डर, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, सांस, ब्रीथ, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, यस इट इज़ कंफर्टेबल, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, यस इट इज़ ब्रिंग, सांस, ब्रीथ, यस इट इज़ ब्रीथ, भक्त, डिवोटी, उत्सुक, ईगर, आत्मा, सोल, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज. So basically this is the thing which what happened today. I hope you understand clear. So let's end the video guys. See you all. Bye bye.